Hey guys, I'm going by the alias of Tatsuya Shiba and welcome to Syntax and Stanzas. And for the first video of our channel, we will be looking into how you can change properties of different components in your Delphi programming application. So without further ado, please enjoy the video. First guys, before anything you do that is related to coding, please by all means try to organize the names of your components, which will make it easier for you to remember certain names of them when you code, to avoid situations like having different components like button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4, label 1, label 2, edit box 1, edit box 2, whatever, and all those stuff. So first you gotta organize the names of your components so that it can be much more simpler for you when you code. Okay, so first guys, let's just give our little labels here some captions. As you can see, I've already set up the interface. Okay, so we can just call our first label here hello world, because obviously we have to have something to change when we do changing properties. So our label 2 will call it lol coding, just like that. And please don't mind the noise guys. I know there's a like voo sound and all that stuff. It's actually the sound of my laptop's fan, and it's helping it to not overheat. So it's doing a very good job. Yes, a very good job indeed. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so we'll call our hello world, give it a name real quick. We'll call it LBLHW for hello world. And our lol coding here, where are you going? Okay, we call it LBLC for coding. Right, as you can see, it's writing the names on this side of the screen. So our button here, which will be the one executing the commands, we'll call it CP for change properties. Okay, so now we are done organizing our components for when we are going to code. So now we can just double click on your button and it will send you to where you're gonna code. Okay, so for our hello world, this one, I want us to change the caption of it. So we'll go like LBL okay dot w dot caption master save. Then you have to put it inside the up commas over there. So we'll call it hello coding world. I'm not good at naming things, people, so please bear with me. Okay, so we are done changing the property of our first label. So for our second label, I just want us to maybe change the font of it, add a little font. So gonna go LBL, no, not W, it's LBLC. Then we'll go dot font dot style master save, open square bracket, small fs, bold. If you guys are wondering where I got this, it's pretty simple guys, it's not complex. I just got it from here. Let me show you real quick. If you scroll in your object inspector in here, you will notice there's a font. Click on the plus sign, then there's style here. Click on the plus sign again. This is the different types of styles of fonts. As you can see, it's very important that you put in the open square bracket and also use a small letter for the F and the S, and the capital letter for the first letter of the word, which is bold or italic or underline or strike out. Okay, so since we are done here, we're going to the second thing. I want us to add text in our edit box here, to change two font styles of it. Yes, you heard me. We're gonna do 2 font styles for it, and I'll show you how we can do that. Then I also want us to add color to the text, so let's go and code that real quick. Did we give the edit box? Okay, no, we didn't give it a name, so let's go and give it a name real quick. Edit TE, just like that. Beautiful. Okay, so go edit TE, then after that dot, I said we are gonna give it the name, right, to add text. So you don't do caption, guys. I know some of you thought we were gonna say caption, but an edit box doesn't really have caption. It has this thing that we call text. So that's how it's like similar to caption, but not written the same way. That's the best way I can explain it. So we're gonna call it example, then you close. Then we're gonna go down here. I said we're gonna do the font of it, 2 fonts to be specific. So we're gonna do edit T dot font dot style master save. Then I'm sure some of you guys are gonna think that we're gonna write 2 codes for the font style. No, it's not necessary, guys. No, it's not necessary. Just do your open square bracket, your FS, yes. Then let's do it bold maybe. Then if you want to add a second font style option, you gotta do your little comma here. It will indicate to them that you're not just changing one property but multiple ones. So FS, then I'm gonna also set it to italic like so, then you close. Okay, bear with me. Then I also said we're gonna change the color, so it's still the same thing. Edit TE, you still go to font, because if I get out of here real quick to show you, when you click on our edit box, you will see where it says font. I actually showed you in the label, right? But I'll just help you guys remember real quick. So you go to where it says font right here, then as you can see it's color. Just click here if you want to see the color options of Delphi. So I think I'm gonna choose blue on this one. So font dot color master save CL blue. And I'm sure some of you guys are wondering, why did you add CL? Actually, where did the CL come from? So it's pretty easy, guys. It's a constant. So if you go back to your color option here, you will notice that each and every type of colors in this option actually start with small c and L. This is to indicate that it is actually a color. So it's a must, guys. It's a must to do it, because if you don't, it just leave it like this. If you run, it's gonna give it's not gonna, as you can see, it gives you a right time error that will indicate to you if red line that I don't know what this is. Are you trying to tell me a color or something like that? So you will be confusing if you actually see CL to make it more clear, like that. Okay, so now we can click F9, and hopefully no errors on this one. Take a long time to run here. Okay, then you click your change properties, and voila, as you can see, for the first label it changed the caption from hello world to hello coding world. Then for the second label, it changed the font style of it to FS bold, which is the dark color we have here. Then for the edit box, it added text saying example, changed it to 2 font styles, which is FS bold and also FS italic, and also it changed the color of the text from dark, because it was gonna be like this, so it's changed it for black to blue. So guys, that's pretty much it for today's video, and I hope you found this video informative, and I hope that it helped you guys a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. But until then, Tetsuya is out, and remember, work smarter, not harder. Goodbye.